Hello, today we're delving into the world of printed boxes and their incredible impact on your brand. Did you know that a massive 62% of UK consumers are prepared to pay more for their preferred brand? Branded packaging isn't just a box, it's a statement. In our ever-competitive market, it's crucial to stand out. With 64% more likely to buy from retailers that provide sustainable packaging, your brand's message is now more important than ever. Sustainability isn't a buzzword, it's a commitment. A stunning 73% of UK consumers say paper or cardboard packaging is important when considering its brand sustainability. And here's something to ponder. 33% have rejected the purchase because of unsustainable packaging. At Quickbox, we understand the power of first impressions. We're here to help you create an unboxing experience that's not just a transaction, but a memorable interaction with your brand. Let's give your customers something to talk about, something to share, and more importantly, a reason to come back to you. Connect with us to elevate your packaging and make your brand the talk of the town. That's all for today, but remember, your brand's packaging is the first handshake with the customer, so make it count. See you next time.